everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Plymouth, California, and welcome back. The 2012 Hypermotard 1100 Evo SP is finally back from 3 months of a rebuild. And as some of you guys may know, we purchased this about 5 months ago for Nikki at Nikki Cycles. Make sure you follow her. Unfortunately, she had a little spill on this at Button Willow 3 months ago to the day that we finished this, and today's our first ride. Why are we here in Plymouth in the trailer? Because this year, me and Nikki decided we are going to be doing some adventure stuff and taking bikes out and going to Yosemite and doing some camping and utilizing the trailer not only for truck riding, but for riding some beautiful roads here in California. So here is our 12 Hypermotard full carbon fiber body from Bestum USA. So if you guys are interested in carbon fiber, you guys have to check out Bestum USA. But just give you guys a quick rundown of what we did. So of course, obviously the full body kit. We did a full system. We used a MIV header, and we've got the Terminioni slip-on for the rear, which sounds amazing. Stand by, we'll get you guys a cold start on that. And then we've got our CNC Racing rear sets. Up front, we have our Brembo rotors, which you guys knew about that. We did that prior to the small spill. Vortex levers and CRG mirrors. On this side, again, CNC Racing, we've got our super light chain and sprocket kit. Very, very nice. And then we have down, if you can see it, the MWR airbox conversion, which is amazing. Hopefully you guys will be able to hear that. And then we have the upmap tune all selected and in this thing. So, can't wait to get it out on its first ride, but let's give you guys a quick little cold start, get this thing warmed up, and then we're gonna head up the mountain just a little bit, just to give you guys a quick ride and give you guys a video. Now, you guys have probably heard here in California, we've had like a record rainfall. It's been like a month. So I haven't been able to ride. So it's been nice to be able, it's gonna be nice to be able to get out and ride finally. If you guys do follow the channel, yes, the GMC's finally gone. The F450 is here. Just super excited, but the Hypermotard is running a little bit better now that we've got the tune in it. When we first did a cold start, it was a little bit lumpy, but now everything is laid out. But we'll let her get it warmed up. I'm gonna get geared up and let's get out on our ride. All right, guys, well, welcome to Plymouth, California. We're gonna be dealing with some wet roads, probably. I just dry ice blasted this thing, so a little bit of a bummer that it's gonna get dirty. Let's see, this is Fiddleton is where we wanna go. So, welcome back to 2012 Hypermotard 1100 Evo SP. Even more SP now, and more to come. So, as I talked about in the beginning, we have the all-new exhaust system on, which you hear, which just sounds amazing. We also have the Heel Tech shift indicator. It's one of the things that you just don't realize what you have on the modern day bikes until you don't have it, and the gear indicator is one of those things. So glad to have that. Took me a little bit to figure out the programming for it, but I got it figured out. So but yeah, so it's tuned. You can hear the massive airbox, the MWR airbox. Basically, we cut the top of the airbox off. And it's this big old filter that goes on the top of the box. It's basically like exposed. So very cool, massive air intake. And then of course, we've got the servo eliminated and we have the cat eliminated. We've got a full system. So I think we got a good 100 horsepower out of this thing finally. Got
got a little bit more RPMs with the what is it, the upmap tune. We just went with upmap just because they had a good tune for this exhaust system, so we decided let's just go with that. One of the other things we added, quick shifter. Ooh, bang bang. Yeah, so we added the Heel Tech quick shifter. It is quick shift up only. Pretty unique how it works. It actually cuts the fuel, so it plugs directly into the injectors, and then it pigtails off the injectors. And then it goes on the shifter, and here it goes, just right up, nothing. So it's been flawless. The only thing that I would say is, I get lazy on the shifter sometimes. So if I just put my foot underneath it real, kind of just briefly touch it, it cuts the fuel off. So you just gotta be careful. We're still kind of figuring out the adjustment of the rear sets. We've got to obviously get them set up for Nikki. So being that she'll be on the bike the majority of the time, but now that the thing looks like this and rides like this and we've got some more horsepower, I'll definitely be on it here in the future. Forgot I don't need to pulling the lever. So 3 months to the day, I think January 17th, just a couple days ago, we finally finished the bike. We still have a couple more things that we have to do, but the majority of the bike is finished. One of the big weights was obviously to get the thing cleaned and dry ice blasted, which we were able to get over to the blasting lab, and we got that thing dry ice blasted. If you guys didn't see the pictures of that, go check out Nikki Cycles. Oh, big puddle, big puddle. Oh man, oh, it's a river. I guess I should have known. I should have known coming out here. We're still gonna have wet roads. Nikki Cycles, go check her out. She has her crash video on there, so if you guys are interested on what happened in her crash, it's on there. And then she's out of her neck brace and getting ready to ride. We've kind of figured that, what we're going to probably do is get her on the Multistrada, which we purchased as a two-up bike for us, together. So we're hoping to get her on the Multistrada soon, now that we've got good weather, and get her comfortable with having the helmet on, and she's still working on the range of movement with her neck. And then she'll be back on the road riding with us. Now, she does have her RS660. It's out of the shop, but unfortunately, we took it to Chuckwalla, and it's piss and coolant. I don't know if they overfilled it or there's an air pocket in it or something, but that's a nice little, cute little bridge. So she'll be out on her RS660 pretty soon. Spring is just around the corner, man, for us here in California. Hopefully. It's been literally a month of non-stop rain. The sun is out this whole week, and I'm just like, I just got to get out for a ride. So what better way than to take you guys out for a quick little ride. Nothing major. I'm going to probably turn around up here and head back. But wanted to give my thoughts and everything on the Hypermotard, just now that it's been rebuilt. I'm really starting to enjoy the bike. Gravel right there, let my clutch out on. Quick shifter's surprisingly good. Potholes. Yeah, the quick shifter is surprisingly good, so I'm happy with the quick shifter, and so far so good on the ear indicator. I'm gonna stop here at the bridge and get a thumbnail. I gotta get my thumbnail, so stand by. It looks great. Oh, we also put the a new clutch slave on it, So that's all new. Man, I'm bummed that it's dirty now. Let's see. Get the old phone out and get our camera. And oh, I can even go a little zoomer. Yeah, I'll call that a day. Carbon fiber swing arm cover also. Still got to figure out the rear blinkers. It's dirty now. Rear blinkers, rear plate, we still got to figure out how we want to mount that. Front blinkers, we got to redo. I'm contemplating putting back on the you know, people take them off, but I kind of like them. And Bestum sells the hand guards, so I don't know. I may put the hand guards back on. We'll have to see. And I think I do have a steering damper ordered through Moto. If you guys have Ducatis, like especially the older Ducatis, you guys have to shop it. I mean, anything, especially but if you own anything, Moto is the place to be, man. You have to head over and check out Moto. Like I said, Ducatis, they're big specialty, MV Agustas and stuff like that. So I would say outside of the body, sorry, Randy, I couldn't justify spending thousands and thousands on full six or whatever. So I decided to go with the Bestum. Because honestly, the Bestum stuff is really actually good quality. It is China built. Oh, the river. Damn it. It's made in China, but it all ships from the US, so you get it very, very quickly. So, and the stuff is decent, and the price is just unbeatable. So, Bestum USA, check them out. This thing's just a little ripper. Thank you. Get the steering damper on here because the front's so loosey-goosey, and that's one of the reasons why Allie crashed. I think if she had the steering damper, I don't think that this bike would have ripped, the handlebars would have ripped out of her hand. Accented it with all of the gold accents. We kind of like that Olene's gold. I've always liked it, and Allie really liked it. Excuse me, Mickey. And so it just kind of started that we with the gold, and then she's nicknamed it Miss Gold Dust. So we have a special license plate coming for the Hyper. Personalized license plate for Nikki. But yeah, so we decided to go with the gold. So if you guys are looking at the side and looking at the shiny gold emblems, I just thought they were awesome. And I thought the black and shiny gold just looked really good and just kind of matched all together. So pretty happy with that. airbox is massive. You can just hear the noise that you're probably hearing is the airbox. And back there, you saw like the front end get really, really loose. We got to get this damper on here like ASAP. I can't wait for Nikki to ride this thing. So there we are. Welcome back, the 2012 Hypermotard 1100 SP Evo. Couple crackles and pops out of the Terminioni exhaust. Yeah, so this little spot that we're in, we're about an hour and a half away from the house, so not too bad. Nikki will be up tonight. She's working today, so thank you, sir. I'm really happy with the Heel Tech quick shifter, by the way. Like, I'm like extremely happy. If you don't have a quick shifter, very simple install, pretty simple install. Hook them to the injectors and hook it up down to the quick shifter. Woo! Oh, that bird almost got it. So yeah, so sorry, we're here about an hour out. So we're heading to the wineries today, and then tomorrow we're gonna head to do a little bit of snow exploring up in the Sierras and Tahoe, because they've just had massive amounts of snow. So we're gonna head up there tomorrow, have a little picnic lunch. Allie will be able to see the bike all complete and everything. Complete and dirty. Ugh. So sorry, bud. So sorry, bud. Oh yeah, the gas cap. Did you see the locking gas cap? Very cool. And here we are. Welcome back to home. Home base for the day, or for the weekend. Just tuck this under here. And that's it. We're home. So thank you guys for coming along on a ride. Sorry that videos have been so scarce. Like I said, I literally haven't ridden since Chuckwalla. So, and it's been just, the last month has just been crazy. So there she is. Thank you guys for coming in, joining us on the journey, on the rebuild, on the Hyper. We wanted to really actually do this anyways. You know, me and Nikki, we just kind of comment about how it was kind of like just meant to be, because we had actually talked about building the bike like this. This is how the bike wanted to be built. It's obviously just happened sooner than later. So, but nice that we have ceramic coating on here. I ceramic coated all the carbon fiber, so very nice. But thank you guys for sticking around. Please do the normal. Hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring the bell notification. Bell notification is going to give you future notification of future content. Like when we get this out on, for it's like, first real ride, get it back out on the track, get some redemption videos with Nikki on the track. If you guys aren't following Nikki, please go and follow Nikki Cycles on Instagram. She'll keep you up to date on everything that's going on with her and this bike and her RS660 and yeah, man, thank you guys so much for all the support and everything, and we will see you guys soon. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.